So I just wanted to provide you guys with a little bit of guidance on this STEM project about what our expectations are. So as you guys scroll through this, I'm just going to make it a little bit smaller on my screen. So as you guys scroll through this, you guys are going to see there's these green bolded boxes. Each of these boxes are where you're expected to put your answers, and the text next to them tell you what we are expecting for you to type in there. Alright, so I just want to walk you through kind of a little bit of our expectations. So here in box 1, we are expecting you to name your farm. I'm going to change this to light green boxes because they are not blue. Anyway, type in the name of your farm. Please pick something school appropriate. So then there's 3 crops that we're looking at. We're looking at corn, wheat, and soybeans. And so our expectation is that you're picking 2 out of those 3 crops and typing their names in these 2 boxes. So then I want you guys to decide how you're going to break up your farmland. Are you going to split those crops 50-50, or are you going to do like 25-75? Now, if you do 25-75, say, I'm doing 25% corn and 75% wheat, or, which one's the 25 and which one's the 75, okay? So then you're just defining your variables here. So you're going to say which vegetable you're using for X and which vegetable you're using for Y. Alright, now I did put a helpful definition here about what a constraint is. That's just so that you know some of the vocabulary that's on this sheet. So now here, you're going to be typing something in the box below, and it says it's an inequality that describes the number of acres of your farmland that you could plant with each crop. Alright, so you're going to have a single inequality, and it's probably going to look like a number times x plus a number times y is less than or equal to 100. Something like that. Alright. Now here on number 6, again you're typing another inequality, but this time you're looking at the amount of time that it's going to take for you to plant your farmland. Alright, so you have a certain maximum, so you need to plant less than or equal to that maximum, and utilize the number of hours here that it takes to plant each one. Now here I do expect you guys to graph on Desmos. Alright, your graph is probably going to be a little messy, and that's okay. Remember, you're going to need to use the inequalities x is greater than or equal to 0 and y is greater than or equal to 0. And to get that symbol in on Desmos, what you're going to do is you're going to hit the greater than by holding down shift and either comma or period. And then if you put an equal right after it, on Desmos it'll turn it into this symbol. Okay. But take a screen cap of your graph on Desmos and paste it in here. I only need quadrant 1. Okay. Alright, now here in graph 8 you're supposed to type in an equation where you're calculating the cost that it's going to take for you to plant your farmland. Alright, so we give you the cost per acre. Alright, so you can do that. And then question number 9, it wants you to calculate your revenue. So you're going to get the amount of revenue per acre here. So these 2 formulas are going to look very similar. Alright, it's just the actual numbers are going to be different. So then what you're going to do is you're going to take box 8 and you're going to take box 9 and you're going to subtract box 8 and you're going to find the profit for your farm. And then make sure to hit submit on Google Classroom. Talk to you guys later.